video, I am explaining the pair of straight lines Eamcet problems, and this is the video number 3. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good rank in the coming Eamcet examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the problems, okay? And the practice sums of the pair of straight lines PDF is given in the description. So all of you once open the description and open the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important sums, okay? Let us start the class. Now, this is the sum number 17. The equation of the pair of lines passing through the point minus 2, 3 and parallel to the pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. What is the given question? The equation of the pair of lines. We want the pair of lines equation that is parallel to the given equation and passing through the point minus 2, 3. So here to solve this question we have one formula. First I am writing the formula here. For suppose ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is one pair of straight line. Now I am taking the pair of straight line that is parallel to the given equation, parallel to the above equation and passing through the point x1, y1. So this is the pair of straight lines equation which is parallel to the given equation and passing through the point x1, y1. Okay. So what is the given question? We want the parallel equation of this equation passing through minus 2, 3. That is, now what is the difference between these two? Just simply here we are replaced that x is equal to x minus x1, y is equal to y minus y1 in the given equation to get the required equation. Here we are replacing that x is equal to x minus x1, y is equal to y minus y1 in the given equation. Here also we apply the same concept, just replacing that x is equal to x minus x1, y is equal to y minus y1 in the given equation. What is x1, y1 here? Minus 2, 3. Now what is the answer? X minus x1. What is x1 value? Minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2 plus 4 into again x minus x1, x plus 2 into y minus y1, y minus 3 plus y minus 3 whole square, okay, which is nothing but the required answer. So here required answer is nothing but the replacing the x is equal to x minus x1, y is equal to y minus y1 in the given equation. Now taking the simplification, what is the first value? X square. What is the next value? 4xy. Writing the values in the order. X square term, x square term, y square term. 4xy. That is the second term. What is the y square term? Y square. That is the first three terms are here x square plus 4xy plus y square. X square plus 4xy plus y square means that is the second option. Once check the terms here. These terms are existed only in the second option only. So second option is the correct answer. Without doing the complete problem, directly we can tell the answer by checking some of the terms in the equation. So these three terms are existed in the only second option. That is second option is the correct answer. Okay. Next problem, sum number 18. The equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to 5x square plus 3xy is equal to 0. The equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to this equation. For example, here also I take one formula. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the pair of straight line. Now the perpendicular equations of these equations which passes through the origin is bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0. This is the pair of straight line perpendicular to given equation and passing through the origin. Okay. Now what is the answer? We want the perpendicular equation of the given equation passing through the origin. Just simply replacing the values in this equation. Bx square. From the given equation, what is b value? There is no y square term here. That is b is equal to 0. Minus 2h. Here 2h is equal to 3. 2hxy. 2h is equal to 3. 3xy plus a is equal to 5. 5y square is equal to 0. That is the answer is 5y square minus 3xy is equal to 0. Means just taking the minus cancellation, then 3xy minus 5y square is equal to 0 and this is the third option. That's all. Next problem, sum number 19. The product of the perpendicular distances from the point -1, 2 to the pair of straight lines 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. The product of the perpendicular distances. Here also we have one formula to find the product of the perpendicular distances. The formula is modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by square root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. This is the formula for finding the perpendicular distances from the given point to the pair of straight lines. Okay. Now substituting the values. What are alpha comma beta? -1 comma 2. These are alpha comma beta, a value, 2h value, b value. Now replacing the values. A into alpha square, a into 1, a is equal to 2, alpha is equal to -1. 2h is equal to -5, alpha into beta is equal to -2. B is equal to 2, beta square is equal to 4. Okay. Square root of a minus b whole square, 2 minus 2, 0 plus 2h whole square minus 5 whole square, that is 25. So numerator is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 2, 20 by root 25 is equal to 5. So answer is equal to 4 and that is the first option. Just simply replacing the values in the formula to get the answer. Answer is equal to first option. That's all. Next problem, sum number 20. Given that the product of the perpendicular distances from 1 comma k to the equation x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 is equal to 3 by 2, then what is k value? So given that product of the perpendicular distances is equal to 3 by 2. Finding that value and equating that to 3 by 2 to get the value of the k. Now what is the formula for finding the product of the perpendicular distances? Modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by square root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. And given that this perpendicular distances product value is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now replacing the values. A is equals to 1. 1 into alpha square, that is 1 into 1. 2h is equal to minus 4. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 into k, that is k, plus b is equal to 1 and beta square is equal to k, that is k square by square root of a minus b. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2h whole square minus 4 whole square is equal to 16, that is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now that is k square minus 4k plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Now taking the cross product here, then we get the equation under modulus k square minus 4k plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 6. 2 3 is 6 and doing the factorization. So here what is the first equation? K square minus 4k plus 1 plus 6 minus 5 is equal to 0. K square minus 4k plus 1 minus 6 plus 7 is equal to 0. So to this equation there is no factor, so we don't take this equation. It has no real values. Now coming to this equation, doing the factorization, then k square minus 5k plus k minus 5 is equal to 0, and which is k plus 1 into k minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore the values of k is equal to -1 and k is equal to 5. And k is equal to 5 is given in the option, and this is the second option. So option 2 is the correct answer. This is not given in the options. This is only given in the options, which is the second option. That's all. Next problem, sum number 21. The area of the triangle formed by the lines 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 6. The area of the triangle. So 2x minus y is equal to 6 means 2x minus y minus 6 is equal to 0, which is in the form of LMN. Therefore the values of LMN is equal to L is equal to 2, M is equal to -1, N is equal to -6. Here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 1, 2H is equal to -4. Okay. Now the area of the triangle means we have one formula here. So replacing the values in that formula to get the answer. The formula is modulus of n square into square root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. This is the formula for finding the area of the triangle formed by the given pair of straight line and with the given line. Okay. Now replacing the values. N square, n is equal to -6, n square is equal to 36. Okay. into square root of h square. 2h is equal to minus 4 means h is equal to minus 2. H square is equal to 4. Minus AB, 3 into 1, that is 3, by AM square. A is equal to 3, square is equal to minus 1 whole square, that is plus 1. Minus 2h LM, 2h is equal to minus 4, minus of minus plus 4. L into M is equal to minus 2, plus BN square. B is equal to 1, N square is equal to 4. That's all. Just simply replacing the value. So the answer is equal to 36 by 7 minus 8 under modulus minus 1, that is equals to 36. So answer is equal to 36 and that is the third option. That's all. Just simply replacing the values in the formula to get the area of the triangle. Next question, sum number 22. If the area of the triangle formed by 3x square minus 2xy minus 8y square is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus k is equal to 0 is 5 square units, then what is k value? So here given that area of the triangle formed by these lines is equal to 5 square units, we want to find the value of the k. Now what are the values here? A is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 8. L is equal to 2, M is equal to 1, N is equal to minus k. Okay. Now writing the formula and replacing these values, and what is given, area is equal to 5. That is just writing the formula and equating that value to 5 here. So modulus of n square into square root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square is equal to 5. Given that area is equal to 5. Now replacing the values, n square into k square into h square minus ab. 2h is equal to minus 2, h is equal to minus 1. That is h square is equal to plus 1. ab is equal to minus 24, that is plus 24, by am square 3 into 1 square, that is 1, minus 2h minus of minus plus 2 into lm. Lm is equal to 2 plus bl square, square is equal to 4. Okay. Just replacing the values. So 1 plus 24 is equal to root 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. That is k square is equals to, this is 4 plus 3, 7 minus 32. Under modulus 7 minus 32. That is k square is equal to 25. Therefore the value of k is equal to 5. That's all. And this is the first option. Next problem, sum number 23. The area of the equilateral triangle formed by the lines passing through the horizon and the line 12x minus 5y plus 13 is equal to 0. So the question is, the area of the equilateral triangle passes through the horizon. Whose sides are passes through the horizon? That is, these two are the sides, those are passes through the horizon, and this is the equilateral triangle. And given that the third line equation is 12x minus 5y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now what is the area of the triangle? That is the given question. So here to this equilateral triangle, to find the area, we have one particular formula, that is equals to p square by root 3. This is the formula for the equilateral triangle. Area is equal to p square by root 3. What is p value here? P is nothing but the perpendicular distances vertex to its opposite side. Perpendicular distance from vertex to its opposite side. That is, here p is equal to, what is the formula? Mod c by square root of a square plus b square. What is the perpendicular distance formula? Mod c by root over a square plus b square. That is mod 13 by root over a square plus b square. 144 plus 25, 169. That is 13 by 13 is equal to 1. Okay. P is equal to mod c by root over a square plus b square. Now what is area value? P square by root 3. That is 1 by root 3. That's all. This is the last option. Very easy. Just writing the formula and replacing the values. Very easy. Next problem, sum number 24. The area of the triangle formed by the lines y is equal to modulus of x and x plus 2y is equal to 2. Now we want the area of the triangle formed by these three lines. Okay. Y is equal to mod x means what are the lines here? Y is equal to plus or minus x. That is, x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. So here we have two lines equation, and third line is x plus 2y is equal to 2. Okay. These are the given lines. These two are the first two lines. X plus y is equal to 0, and the second line is x minus y is equal to 0, and the third one is x plus 2y is equal to 2. Now what is the area of the triangle formed by these three lines? Clearly here first point is equal to 0, 0. The point of intersection of these two lines is equal to 0, 0 since these are the lines passing through the horizon. Okay. Now what are the coordinates of this point here? X minus y is equal to 0 means x is equal to y. X is equal to y, that is x plus 2x is equal to 2. X plus 2x is equal to 2 means 3x is equal to 2. Then what is x value? 2 by 3. Then what is y value? 2 by 3. Since x is equal to y. Okay. X is equal to y means replacing that y is equal to x here. X plus 2x. 3x is equal to 2. So the point is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. And what is the third point? Here x is equal to minus y. X is equal to minus y means minus y plus 2y. Minus y plus 2y, y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 means x is equal to minus 2. And the third point is equal to minus 2, 2. So these are the weights of a triangle. Now clearly here one point is equal to 0, 0 means what is the area formula? Half into modulus of x1, y2 minus x2, y1. Here one point is equal to 0, 0 means area is equal to half mod x1, y2 minus x2, y1. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. x1, y2. 2 by 3 into 2 minus x2 y1 minus 2 into 2 by 3. Therefore, 1 by 2 modulus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is equals to 8 by 3. So, 8 by 3 into half. Therefore, area is equal to 4 by 3 and that is the second option. That's all. This is the answer. Next question, sum number 25. The angle between the bisectors of the angle between the lines y is equal to 3x plus 5, y is equal to 7x minus 3. So, angle between the bisectors of these lines, that is, bisectors of the angles of these lines, that is, the angle between the angular bisectors of the given lines. For example, first suppose these are the given lines, okay. The first line is y is equal to 7x minus 3. The second line is y is equal to 3x plus 5. What is the given question? The angle between the bisectors of the angles of these lines. That is, first we have to take the bisectors of angles of these lines. What are the bisectors of angles? Angular bisector. Bisector of angle means angular bisector. This is the angular bisector of the two lines. Angular bisector means the line which bisects the angle. Okay, this is the line bisecting the angle, that is, this line cuts the angle between the two lines into two equal parts. This is the angular bisector, bisecting the angle. So this is the first angular bisector. Now, and this is the second angular bisector. This is the second angular bisector. Means this is also the line which bisects the angle between the two lines. These two are the bisectors, and always remember that the two bisectors are always perpendicular to each other. Whatever the lines, the angular bisectors are always perpendicular to each other. So what is the question? Angle between the angular bisectors. Now what is the angle between the angular bisectors? That is equals to pi by 2. Whatever the lines equations, but the angular bisectors are perpendicular to each other. That is, answer is equal to pi by 2, which is the fourth option. That's all.